Hey guys, so I'm just gonna, I'm at a early bird right now. And I'm not even gonna say my country because you might find me. Now we're just gonna.
Jax, where are you eating these at?
We're eating at Early Bird.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, what's up? Welcome back to Jackson Phoenix.
Yummy.
Stop it, Dad.
Okay.
Mom's the cameraman today.
Cameraman.
Now we're just gonna pour all of that on. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Concentrated in the middle. I like it. Middle out. It's always soggier in the middle.
You have a good
That's a good
you have a
pour.
good hand.
There we go.
All right. Well, do you want to take your first bite?
Here, see how this
All right.
tastes.
Here, go like this. Gotta cut them.
Here.
Look at that. They give you a pitchfork for these. Here, watch. All right, here. Okay, you ready?
Okay. Looks like Dad's gonna cut it up for me because I'm just a little kid.
Yeah.
That's 7 years old.
You're a little 7-year-old. Going on 2nd grade. Oh, you're hitting on your live stream, but don't do that. That'll show you're a violent person. All right, you ready? Oh. Don't spit it out on camera. Oh, you can't do that.
Sorry.
Sorry, what?
Take another bite, dude.
You better take another bite.
We're ending that video.
Look at that goodness. Ah.
Yes.
Hey, let's see.
Oh, look at that.
There you go.
Let's see if that tastes it. Hey, Mom, not hold the camera. I want to see you taste it.
One. Okay.
That's pretty dang good.
Hey, let's see if Mom. Let's see
All right.
Mom. Let's see Mom
Mom
taste
gotta
it.
get a piece.
Let's see Mom taste it.
Oh yeah. Dynamite.
Yeah. Thumbs up.
Make sure to like and subscribe, boys.
That's right.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
All right, end the video.
Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.